Guten Morgen. So, I'm on my way to Hamburg and it's quite early. It's actually 6 am. Crazy. I'm here now in the train which goes directly from Zurich HB to Hamburg. It's amazing. It wasn't that expensive. I also have reserved a seat and it cost me 78 the train, and seat reservation would be 5. I'm now going my way to Hamburg for the exam, the assessment. Ooh, quite nervous, but I'm very confident that I can manage this. Looking forward to finish this and get soon as possible an answer that I made it. Yes, this is my hotel. That's hard for me, sorry, I didn't mention which bus station I took. Liebmannstraße. And when you arrive there, you can just walk to the next park. I'll show you on the map, and then you can walk down to the beautiful beach in Germany. Okay guys, so listen carefully, because you are here in Hamburg, which is one of the biggest cities in Germany, but you have the possibility to just listen to this wave. So great, it's so great. I love this sound. This is the place to be, the Strand Pearl. And perfect for the sunset to be here, and that's amazing. So I got my room, it's in the 4th floor. It's a junior suite because I'm a high Bonvoy elite member. And I got a free drink and the breakfast. That's nice. I'm in the 408 and as you see, it's very spacious, it's epic. So great. And yeah, it would be the sleeping room with TV on a separate TV, but in direction of the bed. But when you want to have it turned, you just can't turn around like this. So you have now the screen on the couch side. And yeah, a small bed, I think so. And let's check the bathroom. Looks gorgeous. I put my shoes here because I was walking at the beach. Yeah. I would say we are agreed that's okay over for one night.